Welcome to Visit Extended channel. Today I would like to introduce a new subject, and I will create a series of the different quality topics under quality academic series. Today, first, I will introduce Mr. David Yan's new book. This one, Chief Quality Officer, and the topic is the roles of Chief Quality Officer. We are honored to be invited to write a recommendation for this book. Myself and also Dr. Arlington, our former chairman of Hong Kong Society for Quality. I found that this book is very interesting and informative about the quality management in organization, especially Mr. David Yan introduced his experience in telecommunication industry, as well as he is the first CQO in Huawei, and many management in quality strategy will share in this book. Now, this sharing will separate into three parts. First is the author and HKSQ. What is the relationship and why he will become our speaker to sharing. And second is in his book, he talks about strategic quality committee. I extract this part to discussion, and the most important one of his book's chapters called discuss the roles of Chief Quality Officer. Mr. David Yan, we invite him as our AGM seminar speaker 10 years ago almost, and at that time he is the first CQO and VP of Huawei technology company. His topic named corporate quality strategies in a globalization environment. It is very interesting topic, and I place it in our AGM seminar. Is very every year we select one important guide to share for our member. 3 years later, we arranged the second Chinese Quality Forum in CTU, and then we invite Mr. David Yan again to give us a talk. At that time, he became a consultant, mega trained consulting company his own, and also advisor of Huawei Technology Limited. And his topic named China leads a quality revolution. It's very lived at the time. This is almost 8 years ago, and then China would like to develop in the high quality management development level. First, in his book, I would like to emphasize is a strategic quality committee, and Mr. Yan showed us it is the ideal concept to establish a strategic quality committee led by CEO, and his position is a VP level, whereas the Chief Quality Officer in corporate quality department. So every different VP level are leading the committee, and each division have a business manager and quality manager. Now, in this quality division, there are 4 functions. First is about the strategic quality management. It is need to establish core departmental quality organization to ensure the quality strategy with enough support and implementation. This organization, called departmental, usually whereas the virtual organization, sometimes we claim it is a strategic quality committee. Committee is a very high level to overview the whole strategy. In this committee, usually chaired by the CEO or COO. Deputy chair is by CQO, and also quality director. The committee member are department head or his deputy. Quality assurance. Another function is quality assurance to ensure quality management system establishment and improvement. Corporate level quality division, always led by CQO or quality director. And quality control is another function to ensure the key quality control points in the business process. Most important is the business process critical or key quality control point to be inspected, controlled, and achieve their quality goal. Departmental level QA and QC should have the member, should have a QC member join this function. And the last function is quality audit. Quality audit involved internal and external audit. It aims to cover or discover the problem, or especially quality problem, and improve it. The role and responsibility of strategic quality committee. It leads to instruct quality division to establish and implement quality strategy and objective. Also, they need to design and implement quality organization in each level of the organization, and review and trace the quality culture implementation in each level. I mean, every people in the organization involved the quality concept and build up their culture, focus on quality such as success, customer satisfaction or continuous improvement. They need to escalate the warning of corporate-wide problem. When it is very important and corporate-wise, it needs to escalate to the top management. Review customer satisfaction survey and improve the result. Review departmental improvement after the quality audit. Also need to review quality management system and internal audit system, etc. Review corporate committee's annual plan and summary. Also help assist CEO to assign responsible person of business process. So each business process is quality responsibility have the responsible person assigned. So committee member, CEO, COO is the key responsible person. COQ or CQO is responsible for daily activity of the committee. So how the operation of the strategic quality committee? So in the corporate quality division or department is responsible for the committee's daily operation. What is their daily operations? It includes a monthly meeting, lesson topic, distribution of meeting minute, the distribution information, follow-up action after meeting, such as they will use the action plan traceability table for follow-up. Each department, each level, what the quality issue activities should be followed. CQO is a responsible person to establish the operation rule in this committee. For example, in each month, they will be select different topic for sharing, invited different speakers, reporting full responsible person about the action plan traceability table, what your follow-up action, and responsible person for escalation of critical problem involved, etc. Now, I would like to share the roles, the key roles of the CQO, Chief Quality Officer. There are 6 roles. First, you are CEO advisor. Second, you are quality revolution agent. Third, quality culture teacher. 4, strategic partner with the business department. 5, we are very familiar, quality professional. 6 is a processing system architect. So first, you as the CEO advisor, Mr. Yan share what is the focus in the he used the Huawei as an example from different period of their company development in the start period, creative leadership period, normalization period, and refinement period. In the beginning, every company need to key focus is survival until you survive. Otherwise, everything is nothing. And then in the next period is a development. After that is skill and growth, more standardization to skill and growth. At the end, you need to refine about your brand and innovation. What about the quality strategy they use? In the beginning, startup, they always focus on product quality and the operation. So at that time, CQO's role hidden in the owner or CEO acting as it. In that time, the operation implied quality assurance inside. But it is not an indicator, but implied inside. They are focused quality of the product and their operation first. And then in development stage, when they focus on development, they're starting to build up their quality culture. They will have the small quality unit and establish their operation model. At that time, CQO roles is need to establish a quality unit and a little bit separate operation and quality assurance function, a little bit separate. And then in the normalization period, is during a growth up. They are starting quality strategy, and also their maturity of quality culture is high. They have the quality department or division, operation, and proceduralized. It means the operation procedure are different, similar to standardization. They will focus on integrated management system and CSR or corporate social responsibility. Is CQO's role at that time to establish corporate-wise quality division, such as the strategic and preliminary strategic of quality in this division. At that time, it's separated totally about operation and quality assurance to maybe separate department, separate function. However, when you go to the refined period, they are little bit close together, and for quality strategic is a focus, and their quality culture maturity is still high, and starting to form the strategic quality committee. They trace for operation excellence. IMS and CSR still are focused, and one more is environmental protection. At that time, CQO's role is leading the strategic quality committee and operation integrated with quality assurance. It's at the end, integrate together. So this is the sharing from Mr. David Yuan about his experience in Huawei. The second role of the CQO is a quality revolution agent. He said CQO is a catalyst of the organization. It means faster to force the chemical reaction to happen. It's a catalyst. There are seven steps for quality revolution plan. First, you need to establish a vision of the quality revolution in the beginning and define the objectives. And then you need to plan the quality strategies and tactics. After that, you need to formulate organization, roles and responsibility, and also the quality revolution action plan. Then you need to review key success factors of the project and also review the target of the project. There are 4 key factors we need to consider during the change, because quality revolution is mean your organization and culture have to change. So the stakeholder relate this change. You need to have the change sponsor, usually your CEO as a sponsor for this project. You need the project manager for help because they have a implementation role. And you need to have another factor is a rule of the change. You need to set some rule inside. It is like it's triangle, web solution sponsor, CEO, web solution executor, project manager, and web solution agent, where agent the CQO. Have the CQO act as a catalyst, reduce the boundary energy, and make it change smooth, or make the reaction happen. Third is the quality culture picture. CQO need to transfer quality concept into quality Bible and ceremony. Incorporate quality concept into the culture, causing your organization change. As the picture, the foreign quality management method and evolution should be improved, but not limited to. You need to tell in the quality assurance and control, quality engineering, quality management, quality audit, Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, quality evaluation, and also change management. You deliver this message, this knowledge to all the people in the organization to build up the quality culture. The fourth role is a strategic partner with business department. The relationship, you can see the relationship among operation, quality, and process is very significant. It's these three things are interrelated. Operation system ensure cooperate to achieve business role and objective. Quality management system support operation system, provide quality assurance. QMS should be indicated in different corporate management system too. Business process management system is foundation of operation system, and optimization of this business process need quality concept and tools for help to enhance its effectiveness and efficiency. David shared his experiment to assign quality and operation manager rather than quality manager only or separate quality and operation manager. He would like to indicate quality into operation of the organization, so it is a very good idea. He employed it in Huawei, quality and operation manager. The fifth role is quality professional. We are more familiar. As a quality professional, different organizations have some framework. For Chartered Quality Institute in UK, quality professional framework is involve leadership, governance, assurance, and improvement under your organization context. And then ASQ, quality professional certificate, given many different body of knowledge in different position, different type of quality roles. So one I remember is Huawei have 100 certified quality engine, ASQ certified quality engine. When I read this several years ago, I read the quality progress, it's a journal of the ASQ. Then Huawei is very committed to get a quality engineer. In Hong Kong Society of Quality, in these 2 years, I propose quality 4.0 professional model. They are separate into several levels: management level, quality and innovation management system, and management tools level, different quality and innovation tools will be used. Culture level, how we to establish quality and innovation culture. Advanced technology is AI, big data, IoT, blockchain is knowledge. And then you need to understand Industrial 4.0. After that, you will achieve quality 4.0. It is our proposal, a quality professional. The last role is a processing system architect. Mr. Yuan also separate using Huawei's 4-stage startup period, creative leadership period, and normalization period and also refined period. And in this processing management, we focus on, in the beginning, the first period, owner is a multitask. And then in the corrective leadership period, process system still incomplete. Starting processing management and corporate depends on operating processing and enable processing. And then in the normalization period, they will focus on process design, process automation, and process management, and start to establish process management system. And then at that time, they are aware supporting processing is very important. And in the refine period, business process management maturity is very high. We need to assign responsible people in each process. Process system become very complicated, and supporting process become significant to support the whole organization to process management. So there are some key business process mapping. For example, operating process, including the marketing, branding, order to cash, indicator product development, delivery and service, issue to solution. After that, in the middle, enable processing is involved and become more focused. For example, strategy and execution, procurement will affect the operation process, manufacturing management, and also supply chain management. They are enable the operation process. In the last stage is the supporting process become significant. Is for example, HR involves staff competence and training, financial management, and customer satisfaction management, quality management, project management, faithful management, and also enterprise risk management, as well as knowledge management. It is supporting when your company become large and mature, and such supporting process will be much more important to enable processing and operation processing. So thank you for your attention. I hope that the next topic is also related to quality and continue to share to you in this quality academic series. See you in next time. Bye.